Collaboration in Google Docs can be done easily using the sharing feature. To enable this feature, all you need to do is click on the blue share button in the upper right corner of the document window. If the document has not been yet named and is still called Untitled Document, you will be prompted to give the document a name. It's always advised to make the name as descriptive as possible, and in my classroom, I usually request that my students include their name in the title of the document. In the next step, you'll need to choose the permissions allowed to the individuals. This is done by clicking on the drop-down arrow with the pencil icon. The options are Can View, Can Edit, and Can Comment. Typically, when using Google Docs for collaboration in the World Language Classroom, you would want the permission to set to Can Edit, so that all students can contribute to the creation of the document. The next step is to enter the email addresses of those individuals with whom you wish to share the document. For the purpose of this example, I will be sharing this document with my 2 daughters. Once I specify this information, an email will be sent to those with whom I share the document. I can enter a note to accompany the email message. An alternative to an email notification is to copy the URL for the link to the document, which you can then share with those individuals. You can access this by clicking on Get Shareable Link in the upper right corner of the window and choosing the appropriate permissions for the link. At this point, you can choose Copy Link and share it. After the document has been shared, when you have it open, it will show any current users that are sharing the document. You can see this in the upper right corner of the screen. As the document is edited, you can see the information being entered into the document. Each user would be highlighted by a different color. And this is how we can easily collaborate in Google Docs where students can share information.